Hey there, grilling fans. This is Watson with 911 Studios. Today, we're going to check out the Weber Spirit 2 E210, a 2-burner liquid propane grill, which comes in black. Yeah, it's got about 2,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.8 out of 5 stars. Very nice. It's also got the Amazon's Choice endorsement and is available through Prime for free delivery. Awesome. It's 48 inches long by 26 inches deep by 57 inches tall and weighs in at 103 pounds, not including the tank. And the cooking grates are 10 inches by 17.5 inches for a combined measurement of approximately 20 by 17. And the propane gas grill works with standard 20-pound low-pressure tanks. It features porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates, porcelain-enameled lid, an iGrill 3 compatible, which is an accessory that's sold separately, a built-in lid thermometer, and a fold-down left side table. It's got the open cart design, fuel gauge, stainless steel heat deflector, panel frame, and this 2-burner grill is built to fit in small spaces and is packed with features though, such as the powerful GS4 grilling system. It's got 3D interactive assembly instructions available through the free BILT app. And in case you're wondering what the GS4 system is, it is the infinity ignition, followed by the burners, followed by flavorizer bars, and finally the grease management system. So it's a nice flow there for awesome cooking. The infinity ignition is something that's guaranteed to light every time and backed by a generous 10-year warranty. So as long as you've got propane, you'll be up and running in no time. Now let me share with you a nice review from a verified purchaser called People Bring Me Their Meat to Grill. Best purchase of the year. We've always loved to grill, but for the past few years we've been in college and didn't have a grill in our apartment. When my wife and I bought our home in December, we knew it was an opportunity to get a grill sometime in the future. We got it just before Mother's Day, and the day we got it I spent about an hour and a half putting it together. It was extremely easy with the directions included in the packaging. We use the grill as much as we can to combat heating up our house in the summer. And we'll use it year-round for sure, even in the snow. That's how awesome the grill is. This grill has the perfect amount of flame. It will give you a wonderful char on any steak. Great grill marks on burgers and chicken, and it has great flow, so after you get your char, you can turn the heat down and cook things quickly as the heat stays in your grill as well. It's easy to clean. It took me about 15 minutes this morning to clean everything on the grill. The racks are awesome and quickly clean with little residue left over, and removing the grease tray is simple and quick. People love the way their meat tastes coming off this grill. I put salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some steak salt on our steaks and people can't get enough. It's not like I'm using some secret recipe. It's the quality of the grill. Buy one today. Well, there you go. The Weber Spirit E210. Great workhorse grill for small to medium families. Built to last, built solid. Order yours today. You're gonna love it.